So as you can see in my screen, from November 3 to November 8, my revenue has decreased in November 18. Today is November 18 and my this previous revenue were dropped. Now I'm not the only one person whose revenue are dropped. Okay, maybe your revenue is also dropped. That's why you are finding this video and watching this video. And in this video I'm going to tell you exactly if it will be solved or not, whether you will get your revenue back or not. So watch this video till the end. So firstly, I was in my mobile phone and I saw a sudden decrease in my revenue, and I saw that from November 3 to November 8 my revenue was down. So I made a tweet just before some hour. November 3 to November 8 YouTube ad revenue dropped at November 18. Why? And one person replied, okay, just notice the same issue too. Did you get the answer? And I haven't got my answer till this time. It was just like 1.5 hours ago. And then what I start to do is I start to search on Google. I didn't found any answer, but in YouTube itself I saw a video. Okay, it was in Hindi language, and I saw that this problem was with lots of other people. Okay, till that time I haven't logged into my desktop. I was only watching from mobile. Okay, I started to read this comment like I lost $70. 378 November earning are caught. Okay, this is in Hindi language. My 6 days revenue is gone. My RPM is 0. Now November 3 to November 8 is gone. And mine was also of November 3 to November 8. However, your revenue can be gone off like November 2 to November 6. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, and then I immediately logged into my desktop, and then I saw, so when I clicked on this overview in my analytics, then I started to see this kind of bar at here, okay, which gave me a huge relief. Okay, and then what I did is I just hold my mouse at here, and here you can see your final amount may change at the end of the month. Your estimated revenue date is underreported for some dates on November 1 to November 16. That's it guys, our revenue is going to come back to ourselves. So don't worry at all, and do comment below how much revenue you have lost, and if you have any latest news regarding this issue, and if you want this kind of update whenever this kind of problem comes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.